What is up, guys? This is Matt here. I'm on the Titan XD forums a lot. I always ask questions, always like to look up and have videos and stuff. Well, there's not really an install video of how to add a amp and subwoofer with a plug and play harness. It's really hard to find something like that for the 2018 Titans, 2016 all the way to 2019. In this video right here, I'm going to show you what I did, and maybe it can help you out as well. There's a plug and play harness kit that is available, and it is really nice, super easy. It doesn't come with instructions, but that's why I'm helping you out with this video. All right, let's get back to it. All right, guys, so we're actually in the truck now. I'm going to show you how to remove the panels. These are already taken loose, of course, but I'm going to physically still show you everything that I did. You can use one of these little plastic tools. I think they're junk. I like to use a 6-inch metal ruler. It doesn't tear anything up. You're going to go in from the top right here, and you're going to pop this off. There's going to need a little force, but once you get that off right there, you're going to pop it off, and it's going to stay like that. Same thing for this side. You're going to do the same thing. Pop it off just like that. Now, so here's the tricky part. Use a Phillips screwdriver. Make sure it's a magnetic tip, or use your drill with a magnetic Phillips tip on it. Personally, I would use a Phillips screwdriver because you have to remove 2 screws off of the AC right here. There's one here and there's one here. I'll show you those. So right here, I don't know if you guys can see, but there's actually a screw right there that you're going to have to remove. And the same thing for the other side as well. There's one actually right here. So when you remove both of those screws, set you guys back down. You're going to pop this off. Just like that. Now, even more trickier. Right here, there's going to be 2 screws. There's a Phillips head here, and there's a Phillips head here. You're going to remove those 2 Phillips heads, and then you're going to come up to the top. If you guys can see, there's one right here you're going to have to remove from the radio. And there's one right there you're going to have to remove from the radio as well. So now that we remove those, slide it out, set it down just like that. Now, I already have the harness and everything installed, but as you can see, the harness is right up there, and I'll show you what it looks like and show you where to plug it. It's a three-way wiring harness that is provided to you, and it's all plug and play, super awesome. So this right here is your speaker wires. You're going to run those from underneath the steering wheel and stuff, and I'll show you how I ran mine in a minute. Those just plug in together. These are the actual speaker wires that run down. This is the 3-way. All you're doing is unplugging the factory radio harness that goes in the bottom right here, and you're replacing it with the 3-way, and it's just a splitter. And you're just plugging it in again right here as well. And then, of course, the other harness goes in just like that. And that's it, guys. That's all you have to do for the radio. I'll show you the rest in a minute. Alrighty, guys, so right in here is where I ran my wires. Just like anything else you do, you're going to run them straight down, up and over. This right here, there's a tab in the back that comes straight off. This is the raceway for the front. You just pop this off. Same thing with this right here, and you just run your wire straight to the back. And then continue on from the front to the back right here through this raceway. And then all your wires are going to come out somewhere through here. So what I did, I just put everything on a board and covered it. So here's the mother load where everything is. This right here is part of the harness that he has with this kit. So what you're going to do is you're going to run your wires through. This is an LC7i. It comes with the kit. It's $325, and this is all you need for running a 4-channel amp and a subwoofer amp as well. So what 2 things to remember. Everything comes together. You just plug it all in right here. Use your front speakers and your rear speakers. And then right here, he's got the power wire that plugs in. You need to make sure you install a ground and your remote wires for both your amps for the remote out. This is my 4-channel amp, and then I have a kicker 10-inch sub underneath the seat that has a built-in amplifier as well. Up underneath, you want to have a 4-channel harness that you're going to have to buy separately when you get your amp. And then this is my subwoofer outputs right here. What's really nice is this LC7i has an internal jumper that you can put in, so channel 2 and channel 3 are together, so you don't have to put any inputs for the sub. They're all right here, and these two channels are tied in together. Guys, this kit is super easy. I fell in love with it. I think that everybody, if you're going to be doing a stereo system install in your Titans, this is the easiest thing to do. The clarity of this, it sounds 10 times better. I added some Infinity speakers all in the inside. I didn't have the Rocker Falls gate. This is just the standard speakers and everything, but guys, this thing is amazing. Well guys, I hope you liked the video and everything. I bought this kit from plugandplaykits.com. It was super, like I said in the video, it was super easy to do. When you buy the kit, it automatically comes with a card for technical support. Joe's the owner, so when you call that phone number, he's the man in charge. He's a one-man show. He's got products for literally any and everything that you can think of, from Nissan, Ford, Chevy, anything you can think of, and I'm super happy with my product. The clarity of it, like I said, is just insane. I have been jamming out for the past 2 days now, and I could never go back to stock. All right, thanks guys for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it.